I've got the Huawei Watch Fit 4, and I'll be showing you how to download offline maps onto the watch. So what you need to do first is go to the Huawei Health app on your phone and launch it. And then you want to go to devices and then tap on your Watch Fit 4. And then on your watch page, you want to scroll down and look for offline maps. Tap on that and allow it to load. Now, once it's loaded up, you have some default offline maps, but you can go to regions and choose any map you want to download, for instance. So, for instance, since I'm in Kenya, I want to download this map for the current location I'm in. And you can download a map of any location or even a sub location. So, for instance, if you go to Angola, you have a drop down arrow and you can download different towns and cities in Angola. So, depending on what region you're trying to download, you may have more than one option. So for me, let me go ahead and download my current location. So I'll just tap on the download button. Now, it's important for this process to make sure that the screen of your phone does not go off. So you might want to tweak the screen timeout period, because if the screen goes off and potentially locks your phone, then the download is going to be interrupted. Okay, so make sure it doesn't go off. So for me, I'm just gonna go and select map and contour lines. I'll select that. Then it's gonna say auto update offline map data. Tap on enable, and then it says keep your device connected. So the download is gonna start happening, and then once it's complete, it's going to start transferring that map to the watch. So you can see it's a slow process, so just be patient. It's currently at 2%, 3%, and it has to go. It's basically downloaded the map. Now it's transferring the map to the watch. So let's just be patient. It's currently just finished sending the map to the watch. So now the map is on the watch. So now when you're wearing your watch and you're trying to go for a walk and trying to record a walk, so for instance, let's go ahead and start a workout, maybe an outdoor walk. So let me find outdoor walk. Here we are. I'll tap on that. And then, of course, I need to be wearing my watch. Now, it's currently attempting to find the GPS signal, as you can see. Now, that might be a bit of a challenge because I'm currently indoors, but let's just wait and see how it goes. Anyway, as it tries to look for the signal, let's go ahead and start the workout. Workout started. So you can hear the workout has started. So now if I scroll down and down and down and down, I should be able to see the map. Okay, and there is a map. So ideally, it should have detected my GPS location. Now, where I am, the GPS location is not very good because, like I said, I'm currently indoors. So if you're outdoors, you should have better reception. Now it should show positioning signal weak. Pay more attention to your surroundings. Yeah, you can hear it say the positioning signal is kind of weak. So basically it shows you where you are and it's going to track your route during your walk or your run. And then you'll have some extra options like route back. So if you tap on route back, it's going to guide you all the way back to the place where you started your walk in case you get lost on a trail or something. And it's going to guide you through the exact path that you came back to where you started. Now, also, you can choose a straight line, which will guide you back to where you started, but it's going to guide you through a straight line. So you just tap on the screen once and it's going to show you that. Now, you can also tap on this just to bring your location back to focus in the middle of the screen. Now, unfortunately, I'm not able to show you this well because the GPS currently is weak where I am. As you can see, it's still trying to connect, but that's basically how to download maps onto your watch, offline maps. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, I'll try to make another video of this, maybe go outside and do a comprehensive test of an actual walk and see how that goes. Thanks for watching and good luck.